Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back, another unboxing. And this time, as you see, it's for Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up yesterday. So yeah, haven't played it yet. So yeah, looking forward to playing this because there's stuff I've seen on it. It does look really good. So I'm not a massive Star Wars fan, but in fact, I'm not really a Star Wars fan, period. But you know, these games and all that. So obviously there's the front. The guy on the front, I think he's called Cal. So yeah, it's the side. And there's the back. Become a Jedi. A new Jedi story begins. The galaxy awaits. Feel the Force. A galaxy-spanning adventure awaits in Star Wars Jedi Fallen Over. A story-driven third-person action-adventure title from Respawn Entertainment. So it is Xbox One X enhanced and it is HDR video. And also it's single player. And the install size is up to 55 gig. So inside we have a leaflet about EA Access, and then underneath it will be the what to do if you get laser burn or something by the disc or whatever. But yeah, we also have the disc. So yeah, that's it guys for my rather quick unboxing of Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order on the Xbox One. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.